now.
Alright, so
baby,
yeah.
you notice you come back. You haven't said anything to me about your trip. I know you get information.
Yeah, man. I get a whole heap of information. But for the time being, we need for us hold it close to my chest. Alright?
But I thought we were working on this together.
Hold on. Listen very carefully. I'm gonna talk slow. This is my work, not our work. And I will tell you in due time, but for now, just know me.
Come back with that something then?
No. You have to remember. We and me. Talking about we. Tell me about Tapil, because that is a we.
Well, give it the other treat. And you see how it turned out.
Angela, brother, look here. Of course, me did it. You know none of that me I talk about. Me I talk about the girl. What's she name? Anansi.
Anise, Raymond.
Same thing.
What about her?
Remember, you tell me, say you Antonian have her covered and you're going to get all this information and the most. Where the report?
Something not going with her, you know. I have my suspicions, but I'm going to make Tonian get confirmation from me.
You know what I'm saying? You know, me realize. Let me tell you what me realize. You see Antonian and that girl there, who don't know how to take this thing, make a joke thing, you know. I wonder if you realize so she could be very well connected, not just to Zero, but to the Tony Bridget. And in all of this, you come tell me now, after me ask the report, you know, can you tell me if it ease off. Now you want to try and tell me, say, oh, you know, something not going on with that, I have the suspicion.
Raymond, no disrespect, but this sounds like a conspiracy theory. She just end up in an unfortunate situation and that is it. And she might be in a more unfortunate situation. And that is the confirmation that I'm trying to see.
You know, sir, this. And the same thing when I try run from, you know. The same thing when I talk about from the beginning, you know. When I sit down and say to you, be very careful, you and Tony, and don't get drawn into this thing, you know. Listen what you tell me now. At this stage, boy, you know, and I have my suspicion. So we are going further and further. Let me remind you about suspicion. It's the same girl. We helped draw with some other girl in our kidnapping. Remember? The human trafficking thing? The same girl that turned around and ended up with Zero in our kidnapping. Same girl that did it when Zero dead. But now, you have some more suspicion. The girl have the like too. Clown!
And you, my love, is a circus master. Listen, we don't have any evidence that she was involved in the first kidnapping. And who to tell? I mean, it's still not concrete now. She was in collusion with Zero. Suppose I force her to do it.
I agree with you, know. I agree with you completely. The first time, she was forced. Second time, she was forced it. And the next time, she's going to be forced to did. So tell you what then. I think we must wait a little bit and be patient. She'll get kidnapped a third time, you know.
Alright, sweetheart, come. I think you need some coffee to calm you down and relax you. Alright?
Come now.
So come get me to not do. You want some coffee?
Oh.
Come follow me to the supermarket.
No. Man, you, Mr. Outside, I play to them. How me go watch?
Then lose again. Sorry. Anyway, give it the key.
You not have car out the door?
So we're ready for I drive my man Benz.
You're quite right, you know. You themselves, the Benz.
Thank you. You may need anything else?
Not until you come back.
Smile.
Hey, Lucky Charms, what's going on?
We are broke.
I fix up that girl.